Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. Thanks for joining me. So if you've ever wondered what the easiest moss to take care of, if you're into aquascaping, terrariums, and you want a moss that's easy to care for, low on maintenance, then we're going to cover that in today's 2-minute tips video. So if that's something that interests you, then make sure you stay tuned because that's coming up right after this. And welcome back. So like I mentioned in the intro, it can be difficult when you first start the hobby to know which plants and particularly moss is the best for you. Now there's loads out there to choose from Java moss, spike moss, flame moss, willow moss. There's so many to choose from, but one that always gets overlooked and one that can be one of the most densely packed mosses and one of the easiest to take care of can easily be overlooked. So today, the best moss I find to use are moss balls, Marimo moss balls. So you're probably thinking, oh, I shouldn't have stayed tuned in this video, but I'm going to show you a couple of different ways that you can use this today. We're going to add some into an aquarium as well as a paludarium just to show you how versatile it can be and as easy it can just to add a bit of greenery into your tank. So let's get on with it. So I hope that was a quick little tips video for you and you've taken something from it. I know I found it useful and I'll probably be using some of these techniques in the future. As always, I'll leave links down in the description for any of the materials we used today. So if you want to go out and do something similar yourself, then you can sure go ahead and do that. Now, this is a really inexpensive moss. It's probably one of the easiest mosses to take care of. You can put in a jar of water in the sunlight and they will just survive. So really tough moss. It looks more like terrestrial moss, I suppose, underwater, so it gives her a different texture again. And it's probably easier to start out if you want a bit of green in your tank and you want to start learning how to look after certain plants, then this will give you that look straight away as you're learning. So like I said, moss balls, gold for aquascaping, a little cheeky tip there, and plenty of these to come in the future. If you're not subscribed to this channel already, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out any future videos. I release videos every Wednesday, Sunday, and I'll drop this sort of video in between those regular uploads as well, and generally around bioactive setups, aquascaping, and building this room into the room that I've always envisaged. So join us for the journey, check us out in the next video, make sure you hit that bell icon, subscribe, drop me a like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.